Ryan again, back in my kitchen. This time we're going to do a snack video. We're going to be making something called reindeer mix, a nice festive snack. So we're going to go ahead and show you the ingredients and then we can get started. In front of you, you see everything we'll need to make our reindeer mix. We need 2 cups of cone-shaped corn snacks, 2 cups of cheese crackers, 2 cups of small pretzels, 2 cups of corn square-shaped cereal. You can optionally add a cup of pecans, but I'm going to leave that out this time. A half cup, which is 1 stick of butter that we're going to melt, a tablespoon of maple syrup, 1.5 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 3/4 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Alright, I've got all of our dry ingredients in this mixing bowl: the corn cereal, the pretzels, the cheese crackers, and the corn snacks. And now I'm just going to give them a nice stir to mix them all up. Set that aside, and I've got my melted butter, and we're going to add the syrup, the Worcestershire sauce, the cayenne pepper, and the Cajun seasoning. We're actually going to start with the Cajun seasoning, 3/4 teaspoon. Just put that into the melted butter. That's a half. And a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You can use a little bit less of this if you don't want as much heat. Now we're going to go to the Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 teaspoons. That's 1. And that's my 1/4. There's my half. And a half. Finally, my tablespoon of maple syrup. And then we're going to give that a good stir. You could use a whisk or a fork or another spoon, but my measuring spoons are already dirty, so I figured I'd go ahead and use them. After we've got that mixed, we're going to come back to our large mixing bowl and we're going to drizzle this over and stir it up. Good and mixed, we're going to actually pour this out onto a baking sheet. Even layer. And get, again, all that flavor, which I'm covering up the camera with the bowl. That's why I don't have my own cooking show, at least not yet. Alright, then this is going to go into a 250-degree oven for 1 hour to try to dry it out. We're going to stir it every 15 minutes, and I'll be back after an hour to show you the finished product. It's been an hour since we put our reindeer mix in the oven. It's dried out quite nicely. Now we're ready to put it onto some paper towels so it can cool, and then we'll be ready to bag it up and serve it. Can't wait to see what snacks you guys come up with. Thanks. We've moved our reindeer mix onto some paper towels so they can finish cooling. Smells fantastic. Once it's cool, we'll be ready to either bag it up or serve it.